So, let me tell y'all about the time Susie Sausage was sitting at her grandmother's house, speaking to her about her back pain. Susie's grandmother was working with a church group that assisted senior citizens with services such as Meals on Wheels, rides to doctor's appointments, planned social outings, and other community engagements. One of these additional services offered that Susie's grandmother had until recently taken advantage of was a chiropractic service provided by a gentleman who was working with the church on a freelance basis. The chiropractor had been visiting Susie's grandmother at her house twice monthly for the better part of a year. These in home sessions were consistent until recently and seemed that the last month's worth of visits had been missed/ canceled for unknown reasons. As a consequence, Susie's grandmother was now complaining of back pain.